Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu reports, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam fell off his horse and grazed his calf or shoulder. He Jalla Jalaluhu swore by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu not to meet his wives for 1 month and sat in an attic whose ladder was made of date palm branches. His companions went to inquire after his health. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam led them in the prayer in sitting posture while they kept standing. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed salutation on both sides, he said, an imam is made so as to be obeyed. When he pronounces takbeer, Allah is the greatest, you should also pronounce takbeer. When he bows down, you should also bow down. When he performs prostration, you should also perform prostration. And if he leads prayer in standing posture, you should also perform prayer in standing posture. And he descended after 29 days. The people said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you took an oath for 1 month. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, this month is of 29 days. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 378.